Hi guys, this video is English speaking because my followers is American citizen, so you need English speaking because to ano ganito ang almana ang ano be dictionary anay be dictionary anay because to English speaking because understand to my vlog or what I see. Grade 3 I'm grade 3, you know, little bit in English, but it's okay, but it's okay, happen to vlog, continuous vlog. A difficult English speaking to how explain to my followers, and you know what I say, but don't follow what I do, what I say. This difficult English is very difficult, but I learn to English speaking someday. You know what I say, but thank you for following me and support me to my vlog. Is very sorry to my vlog is not viral, but I don't know, difficult English, you know what I say. Okay, thank you for watching to my vlog and share to my vlog and comment and reaction. You help me to improve to my vlog. Mita is salary to me, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.